Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So today we're doing another video in atomic structure and electron configurations. So let's get moving. Bam! So today we're talking about the magnetic quantum number. What is the magnetic quantum number? It is m sub L. So it's a lowercase m and a scripted L subscript. Okay? All right. So each atomic orbital differs in its 3D orientation around the nucleus. That is in space. That is the m sub L, the magnetic quantum number. Okay, m sub L can be plus or minus all the L values. So if you imagine a number line with 0 in the middle of that number line, and then we have a +1 and then a -1, a +2 and a -2. So it is certainly not a number line, but if you imagine a number line, you'll get the right numbers. That's the short way. Okay, m sub L values are equal to 2L plus 1 for the number of orbitals, and that's the number of boxes. And we're going to be doing some orbital box diagrams here pretty soon, and each box is an orbital, an atomic orbital. So hold on to that thought because that is coming soon. So if we take an example of n equals 3, n is the principal quantum number, n equals 3. Okay, so the possible L values are 0 up to n minus 1. And then the possible m sub L values are 2L plus 1. So if n is equal to 3, what are the possible L values? So I want you to try to plug those in. And that's going to be 0, 1, and 2. 0, 1, and 2. Okay, so I've color-coded these, so hopefully you can understand this. Now we're going to get the possible m sub L values here for this. So I'm going to plug in 0 into the 2L plus 1. So 2 times 0 is 0, of course, plus 1, that would be 1. Okay, and then I'm going to plug in the yellow 1 in for L, and that's 2 times 1, that's 2, plus 1, that's 3. Then I'm going to plug in the 2, the white 2 there, and that 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1, that's 5. I want you to see these numbers here that correspond to those other previous numbers. Okay, and I want you to notice that these m sub L values, 1, 3, 5, what's the next number? 7, 9, 11. There's a pattern there. I'm hoping that you're going to recognize the pattern. Using quantum numbers here in a simplistic form is just looking at the patterns. So you're going to be able to recognize the patterns, okay? Hopefully you got that. Okay, here's a chemistry pickup line because you might need one of these someday. If I could rewrite the periodic table, I would put uranium and iodine together for you and I. Very nice. So that's another Crazy Hat video from the Crazy Hat Chemist. And here is a crazy hat. I love this hat. Okay, by the way, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get all my awesome videos on chemistry. So, wait until next time for more cool chemistry videos. I'll see you. Bye now.